Lord, Kansiyojiku, Wake, Emiwa, Chief Emmanuel, Wake, Yafredo. Okay, more sheep in my workplace. Evil president, Muslim woman, I don't want any evil.
Because of English, my teacher punished me, oh, English, because of English, oh, you could have your mother, oh, English, because of English, my teacher punished me, oh, English, because of English, oh, you could have your mother, oh. My brother rich one day like that. We there for classroom. Children can't carry my pencil. Children are my classmates. When I want use my pencil, I call you children. I call you children. I call you children. See a children, young pencil, pencil, children, young pencil, children, young pencil, children, young pencil, Unfortunately for me, my teacher hear the vernacular. My teacher begin to ask class, who speak the vernacular? Everybody begin to point me. My teacher say make I stand up. He say make I come out. He say make I kneel down. He say make I hands up. My teacher carry bulala. My teacher carry bulala. My teacher carry bulala. Begin to wicked me, oh. My teacher suffer me, oh. My teacher wicked me, oh. My teacher suffer me, oh. Because of English, yeah. English, yeah. Because of English, yeah. English, yeah. My teacher punish me, oh. English, yeah. Because of English, yeah. English, yeah. Oh, you could have